Think you're smart? Let's see if you can guess these 5 fun facts. Go! Fact 1. Which sea creature has 3 hearts? It's the octopus. 1 for the body, 2 for the gills. Fact 2. This fruit is radioactive. Know it? Bananas. They have potassium-40, a radioactive isotope. Fact 3. Which insect can recognize your face? Bees. Their brain processes faces like ours. Fact 4. Which planet has a day longer than its year? Venus. 243 days to rotate once, only 225 to orbit the Sun. Fact 5. The driest desert on Earth isn't hot. Guess where? Antarctica. Less rain than the Sahara. How many did you get right? Drop your score and hit subs for more fast facts.